0 subscribers.
So this is very, very exciting and important news. Recently, we just hit 0 subscribers. I'll say that number again. 0 subscribers. Like,
come on, guys. I mean, seriously.
we can't even thank you enough. Like, oh my.
Probably nobody's watching this.
Oh my gosh. I'm so grateful that we have 0 subscribers.
So grateful.
I can't even thank you guys enough for not watching our videos and not liking us and not subscribing.
Love you guys.
I just love you so much.
Yes.
Thank you for 0 subscribers so much. It just means,
But seriously, guys, you guys need to subscribe to us.
seriously, I feel lame. Even though we just joined like 2 hours ago.
Yeah, but
We're
seriously.
very impatient girls.
I love how we made like 3 videos in the last an hour and a half, maybe. No.
Low life losers.
Yeah, up top. Never mind. Maybe later. Anyways, this isn't going to be like our videos. We're going to have like music videos and skits.
Stay tuned for like our 4th video of the night.
Well, don't judge. We're bored, okay? Okay. Just don't judge. And no hating.
Okay, we're gonna put this like on pretty much every video, even when we get really popular on if we get really popular on YouTube.
Probably not, but
Don't doubt ourselves. Okay, but anyways, at the end of each video, like our little like thing is gonna be no hate, because that is absolutely
haters.
the biggest pet
haters
peeve.
are my motivation. I'm just kidding. They're not.
Even if they are your motivator, still no hate. Because
No.
it just, first of all, it makes you look like a jerk, and second of all, it makes us look like our videos are bad, or it like makes, not that they aren't, but
Anywho. Well, comment, like, and
Subscribe.
ask questions and requests.
definitely subscribe, because we hit 0 subscribers, and that's just like amazing.
Whoa! Anyways.
Oh, and if you want to know, I bet all of you guys are dying, all my 0 subscribers out there are probably dying to know
All our subscribers.
who our favorite YouTubers are.
Andrea Russett.
Yes, definitely. We can both agree on Andrea Russett. What? Oh, and Niga Higa, whatever. Niga
Higa.
I don't know, but it's like
They're really
NIG.
funny.
And then Andrea Russett.
Check out Andrea
Russett is amazing. Like, she's like so funny, so gorgeous. I love her. And if you guys can like get her to see this somehow, then that'd be amazing.
I know, right? Maybe she could like comment or something.
Yeah,
Or
but like,
make our day.
or video response to her one of her videos.
Yeah,
But one of my
was
other favorite YouTubers, Niga Higa, whatever his name is, Andrea Russett, Talia Joy 18. She's this little 12-year-old girl with cancer, and she is like a makeup, well, like not makeup artist, but she's like really, really good at makeup. She like does makeup tutorials, and she's so cute and so funny. And if you could get her to see this too, that'd be amazing.
That'd be so
Like she's amazing. She's really funny too.
like we always say, no hating.
Yeah, but and one of my
No?
other favorite YouTubers,
Okay.
is Crazy Ray Ray. She's like I don't think you've ever heard of her, but she's
No,
like
I haven't.
she's really, 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 really pretty and funny, and she makes really good videos. So you should check her. You should check her
I
out.
think I know who it is. This time, peace out, girl.
Wait, who's your favorite YouTubers?
I already told
And I
you.
like Gen X Pen. Gen X.
Who?
I'll show you later, Danielle.
Okay. Well, peace out, Girl Scout, this time. All right.
Stop saying peace out, Girl Scout.
Peace out, Boy Scout. Why not? Hey, bye.
Peace out, Cub Scout.
Cool refried beans.
No.